Good morning, elephants. Good afternoon, dinos. We are back at calendar. Okay, so when we talk about calendar, we talk about the season, the months of the year, the days of the week, and the date. And the date is always a number, right? Do you know what season it is? Well, you can look out your window and notice that the plants are really green, the flowers are blooming. I can use my sense of hearing and I can hear the birds chirping and baby birds in the nest chirping. We have baby birds being born, right? We could smell the fresh air. It's not freezing cold out, right? Like winter. Winter's over. What season is it now? It's spring, my friends, and I'm so happy that it's spring. It's been a little colder than spring normally is, but I think it's going to get warmer soon, so have faith, okay? So when we talk about the calendar, we talk about the months of the year. Do you know how many months there are in a year? Do you remember? It's a lot. There are 12. There's 12 months in a year. We are all the way at this month. Do you know what month it is right now? Well, if you don't know, you can look at the word there, and you can notice that it's one of our months that is very short. Let's count the letters in this month. 1, 2, 3. This month only has 3 letters. It's a short month as far as the name is concerned. It's not a short month in numbers because it goes all the way to the 31st. But to remember the name of the month, we can notice the first letter in that word. The first letter in that month is M. Good job. And M makes what sound? Right? So we know that this month starts with the letter M. May. It is May, my friends. Yes, and I noticed the pictures on May are insects and flowers. That's what happens in May. You see the insects coming out, being born. You see the baby chicks being born in the nests. You hear them, and you see all the beautiful things. I hope you're noticing all the beautiful things that you see in spring when you go outside. So when we talk about the calendar, we also talk about the days of the week. I feel like it's been forever since we did calendar, but it has only been 1 week. We do calendar on the video once a week, right? You can do it as many days as you want. You should do it every day at home, right? But we do it once a week. So do you remember how many days are in a week? Well, if you can't remember, do you want to sing the song? Okay, so I put up 5, and then I'm going to add 2. And what number do I get? Start with the bigger number. You put the bigger number in your head, 5, and you count up by 2. 5, 6, 7. There's 7 days in a week. Let's sing the song. There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Isn't that a quick song to help you remember the days of the week? So here's my clue. Yesterday was Sunday, right? Here's my hint. Yesterday was Sunday, and yesterday was Mother's Day. I hope that you gave, oops, almost gave something away. I hope that you gave your mommy a great big hug and a kiss because it was Mother's Day. So, yesterday was Mother's Day. It was Sunday. If yesterday was Sunday, what day is today? Sunday. You got it, my friends. Today is Monday all day long, all day long. It's Monday. It's marvelous, miraculous, magnificent, magical Monday. Why do I use all those adjectives to describe Monday? Well, what letter does Monday start with? Monday. M, excellent, and marvelous, magnificent, magical, and miraculous all also start with that same letter, M. Monday starts with M. May starts with M. Pretty cool. It's cool when it's a Monday in May, huh? All right, so we know that it's Monday. We have to figure out the Mr. Dirt. Okay, we climb up to Monday, and then we climb down to that mystery date, okay? All mysteries have clues. Let me give you my clue. Yesterday was the 10th day. It was number 10, but we say 10th, right? Because the numbers on the calendar are in order. So if yesterday was the 10th day, what's 1 more than 10? 10. You got it, my friends. It's 11. It is the 11th day of May. We notice that this is a 2-digit number, right? 2 ones makes 11. It's 2 digits. There's a tens place and a ones place, okay? So it is the 11th day of May. So we're getting there. We're almost halfway through May already. That went quick, huh? So it is Monday, May 11th, 2020. Okay, so this is starting a new week for us, and there's something exciting about this week. We have another Spirit Week, which means that we get really excited to say thank you to people during Spirit Week, and we also show spirit for our school by doing this, okay? So I want to show you my t-shirt that I'm wearing today. Dun, da, da, da. I teach superheroes. So who are my superheroes? You're my superheroes because I'm so proud of you. You're doing such a superstar job at getting your work done at home. I know it's different than being at school, but you are doing such a superstar job doing all your work. You are superheroes too. So I'm honoring you today. But there are many superheroes in our lives that we can honor, okay? Some of the superheroes are ones that go out to work every day and take care of people who are sick or are sad and need help. So there are superheroes. Some of you have grown-ups that stay home, and some of you have grown-ups that go out to work. And some of those grown-ups work in a hospital. There could be doctors or nurses' aides, or people that clean up the hospitals or serve food in the hospitals. Okay, they are heroes because they're going out and helping people. Also, there are paramedics and EMTs, and they're people that work on the ambulance, and they have all the medical instruments on the ambulance. So when they go to pick up somebody sick, they can help them right away, get them ready, and get them to the hospital as quick as possible, okay? There's also firefighters and police officers. They also are our superheroes because they're out there protecting us all, okay? So we want to honor all those people. Some other superheroes are the ones that are right in your house with you because they're the ones that are teaching you. They're your teachers, okay? Your grown-ups in your home are your superheroes because they're taking such good care of you and they're teaching you, and we're so proud of them. So we want to show all of these people in our lives that they are our superheroes. They have a lot of strength, right? And we want to honor them. So one way we could do that is wear a t-shirt. You can wear a superhero costume, a superhero t-shirt. You can make a cape out of anything you want. You can make a sign. Send us pictures so we can share them and we can get excited about our school, right? And about all our superheroes in our lives, okay? So that's going to be a fun week. I'm looking forward to it. So we need to talk about the letter of the week. I'm going to give you a hint right now. Are you ready for the hint? This letter is the beginning letter in a color. It's one of my favorite colors because it's a shiny, shiny color. It's the color you often, all the time, mostly use when you draw the sun. What color do you make the sun? Yellow. Yellow. Do you know what letter yellow starts with? Dun, da, da, da. Y. Y is the beginning letter in yellow, and y is the beginning sound in yellow. This is a bit confusing because what does this look like? It's a crayon. Does crayon start with Y? Hey, no way. Nope. Crayon starts with the letter C. But this is a specific type of a crayon. What color is it? It is yellow. So it goes like this. Y, yellow, Y. You do it. We could do it together again. Y, yellow, Y. Can you think of other words that begin with the letter yellow? The letter Y. That's what I was going to say. I was going to say the letter yellow. That's the color yellow. So let's write it first. So if you want to take your pointer finger and air write it with me, okay? It requires a lot of slanted lines, the letter Y, kind of like the lines you use when you make a triangle. So we're starting at the top with our uppercase, and we're going to make a diagonal line. So here's the top. We're going to go sideways, sideways, down. Not that hard. Ready? Let's do it in the air. Sideways, sideways, down. That's uppercase Y. Lowercase y starts in the middle here, not on the top. It starts in the middle and it goes all the way down. Diagonal line, which is a sideways line, and another diagonal line all the way to the bottom. Those are our Y's, uppercase, lowercase y. So we're going to add yellow, the color yellow here. I'll start you off with that word, and I'll start you off with another word. It is the opposite of no. And we like to hear this word a lot more than no. It is what? Yes. Yes. Yes starts with Y. So I started you off, yellow, and yes, you need to go around your whole house, your backyard, a magazine, all your books, on TV, in your kitchen. Find letters that begin with Y. Find words that begin with Y, the letter Y, and I want you to make a list. And then I want you to use your worksheet to practice writing the letter Y. Why? Because it's fun. That was a joke. Anyway, I want you to be really, really good to your grown-ups. They're working so hard. They're feeding you. They're taking care of you. They're reading you stories. They're teaching you. They're teachers. You have teachers at home now, right? So I want you to take good care of them too. And I want you to get excited about learning, because this week we're going to be learning about plants. Okay? I want you to go outside and look at your plants and look at your flowers. I want you to observe them, right? What does observe mean? To look closely at something. I want you to look closely at your plants and your flowers in your yard. And then when we come back, we could talk about them, okay? Have a great Monday. Have a marvelous Monday, and I'll see you later on Zoom.